Hey everyone, and thank you so much for hanging out with me for a laundry deep cleaning routine video. Now normally I like to do a load of laundry every 1 to 2 days depending on if my boys are home with me, but this week is school holidays and I have done absolutely no laundry, and we were at the point where not only am I out of clothes, but I'm out of cleaning cloths. So it was time to get down and dirty in the laundry, catch up on about 15 loads of washing, and get all the school uniforms ironed before school goes back. I normally like to make sure that at least once a week all the laundry gets caught up to stay under control. My laundry catch-up day is Thursday, as I need to make sure I have all my boys' school uniforms, including PE and rugby uniforms, washed, ready for changeover day when they go to their dads every second Friday. This is the day that works for me, and this is also the day I like to give my laundry closet a quick, deep clean. I know a lot of people dread doing the laundry, and I have to say it's one of my lesser favored cleaning tasks, and when you have kids especially, it sure piles up quickly. But then I remember how it seems like only yesterday I was hanging out tiny baby clothes and then washing stains out of toddler outfits, and now I'm ironing high school uniforms, and I think how quickly that time has passed, and before I know it, my kids will be all grown up and taking care of all their own laundry. If you can find something to be grateful for in even the most mundane of tasks, like ironing and folding baskets of laundry, then it makes it just that little bit better. So I also think of how grateful I am that we have plenty of clothes to wear and clean towels and sheets to use, that my kids always have new uniforms for school, and that always makes me feel like this is less of a chore that I have to do and more of a luxury that I'm lucky to afford. The dryer in my laundry came with the apartment, and I don't know if it's just a cheap dryer, but it seems to get lint dust absolutely everywhere. By the amount of lint dust you see here, it looks like I haven't cleaned this space for like 6 months, but that dust was from just 2 weeks. And I always empty the lint filter after every single load and make sure the exhaust fans are vacuum cleaned regularly.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless.
Lucky for me, the laundry room is only tiny, so it's really quick to get done, which is great because today was the day that Stranger Things Season 3 was released on Netflix. My boys and I love Stranger Things, and we have a tradition of having a Stranger Things premiere party. We stay up late watching as many episodes that we can stay awake for, and we eat all the junk food. So I had to get my laundry caught up and cleaned and be done in time for our Stranger Things premiere party. Are you a Stranger Things fan? My favorite will always be Season 1, and I still haven't forgiven the writers for Bob. Let me know what you thought of Season 3 in the comments if you've watched it already. We just finished watching it this morning. The other great thing about having kids who are getting older now is that they can look after some of their own laundry. My kids put away all of their folded laundry, they hang up all of their ironed clothes. Then we did the quickest house tidy up just to make sure everything was nice and tidy and neat, so we could all chill out and relax in a nice clean tidy house and binge watch Stranger Things.
It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's great feedback for me and it lets me know you enjoy these types of videos and to keep on making them. If you are new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more cleaning and organising videos and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. If you are a new subscriber, then you are a lucky duck because you have over 100 videos to binge watch. I'll leave one linked at the end and a link to playlists you might be interested in the description box below. I hope you all found this video motivating and inspired you to catch up on your laundry routine. Have a super fab day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.